Welcome, new members. First, I'd like to say congratulations for making an educated decision and getting started here with EPS. Now, in this session, I'll be covering in more detail how to set up your PayPal account and how to set it up correctly so you can get paid. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create an account by clicking sign up in the top right hand corner. Second, you have two options. You have a personal account and business account. So what you want to do is you want to check the second option, business account, and click continue. Now, if you already have a PayPal account, all you'll need to do is click login and simply upgrade your personal account into a business account. Next, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and simply select the standard account, which is the free account. After selecting the standard account, what you want to do is go ahead and enter your email address. Make sure that you're putting in a valid email address. Okay, this is where you get your email notifications to process from PayPal. So you want to put in a good email address, and then below that, you'll just simply enter the verification code and click next. Next, you just simply create a password. Make sure it's a password that you can remember. I do suggest writing down your password. Once you select the password, below there, you'll simply enter your name, okay, your first name and your last name, and then your business name. Now, if you don't have a business, just simply enter your first and your last name, enter your phone number, and then below that, your address and your zip code. Afterwards, be sure to review the terms and conditions and click agree and continue. Next, they'll take you to the Tell Us About Your Business page. Okay, once you're on that page, what you want to select is the first one, which is individual sole proprietorship. Now, under the business category, you will select services-other, and then under the subcategory, you'll select computer and data processing services. Okay. Below that, now you'll select your monthly earnings. Okay. Now, if you're working this part-time, what you want to do is select the under $4,999. If you work in this full-time, I do suggest that you select $5,000 and above. Now below that, it'll ask you if you have a website. Now, of course, if you're in the process of building a website, or we're building the site for you, we do suggest that you select no, because you're in the process of getting the website, and then you just select continue to move to the next page. Okay, now that we're on the next page here, you'll simply enter your employee ID number or your social. This is for tax purposes, and your date of birth. And then once you do that, scroll down to the bottom and click submit. Great job. Now what you want to do is scroll up to the top and click tools. After clicking tools, you want to click PayPal button. After selecting PayPal button, then off to the right, you want to click create new button. After that, you'll see a drop down, and you'll simply select buy now for your button type. Okay, and then below that, where it says item name, you'll enter the item name, which is email software /ad copy membership. All right. And then below that, it'll say price $25 is what you make per email that you process. Okay. After that, simply make no other changes. You just scroll down to the bottom and click create button. Okay. Once you create the button, you have two options. You have a website tab and you have an emails tab. Now, if you're creating your own website, either through Weebly or Webs, you'll simply select the website tab, and you'll select the code there to add to your website. Okay. Now, if we're building the site for you, we do integrate the button into your form and your website, okay, for automation. So you'll simply select email, and then at the bottom you'll click select code. It'll highlight the link. You'll see a link. It'll highlight it blue, and what you want to do is right click on the blue and select copy. After copying that link, you just shoot us an email. You'll send that email to us here so we can integrate that link to your website. If we're building your website, okay, we'll get that integrated and then shoot you an email with your website. The website we create, the conversions is very, very high. Okay, so I believe you're going to be very pleased with the website that we built. Okay, after you do that, you just scroll up to the top, select profile, and then you'll click business setup. Okay, the next thing you want to do is confirm your email. After confirming your email, down below that it'll say link your bank account. Okay, that's where you can actually link your bank account, especially if you're doing direct deposit. Okay, you have the option of direct deposit, or I call it direct deposit transfer. You have the option of check if you want to receive a check, or most people go down below there where it says get the PayPal business debit MasterCard. Most people like that option because each time you process an email, you get paid instantly right to your debit card. Okay, it shows up right then instantly the same day. Okay, now with that said, that's pretty much the bulk of it. You can also add a debit card. Okay, if you have a debit or credit card that you like to add to PayPal, do suggest that you do that. And that's also in the setup. You can just go scroll up at the top and just select profile and settings, and off to the left select update card, and that's where you can add your debit card to your PayPal account. Okay, well, that's all, folks. Again, congratulations, welcome to the team.
And let's hop back over to the Member Center, click step 3, and let's create some invitations.